Building a new home should be exciting, but for most people, it definitely feels overwhelming. Too many decisions, too many builders, and too many unknowns. You want a home that fits your life, your family, your future, but you don't always know where to start. So this channel is for you if you're thinking about building or buying a new construction home here in Marian County or across Central Florida. And you want clear, honest guidance every step of the way, you will get to see real homes being built, real design choices, and the process behind creating a custom farmhouse style home that is both beautiful and functional. From choosing the right lot to understanding timelines, budgets, finishes, you'll learn what actually matters before you sign anything. You deserve to feel confident when building your dream home. You deserve to understand the process, avoid costly mistakes, and create a space that truly feels like yours. On this channel, you'll get behind the scenes looks at new construction homes, the reality of new construction, tips for designing the perfect layout, and insights that help you make smart decisions for your family. So subscribe now so you can follow along, learn the process, and feel prepared when it's time for you to build your home. What is the biggest question you have about building a new construction home? Let me know in the comments so the next video can be made just for you.